Hi, I'm Mark. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sharpen a lawnmower blade using a grinder. I'll start by using a scraper to clean the grass buildup off of the blade. You could also use a wire brush or a wire wheel in a drill or a grinder. Now I'll clamp the blade into my vise. The normal bevel angle for most lawnmower blades is about 30 to 35 degrees. A shallow angle cuts the grass better as it's a little sharper, but it can go dull faster. If your lawn tends to have some bare patches with open dirt, rocks, or sand, or if you have trees that tend to drop a lot of small sticks or small branches onto the grass, you may want to sharpen to a little bit steeper angle, maybe 45 degrees. The steeper angle will stay sharp longer when you hit debris. Before I start any grinding, I'll be sure to put on my safety glasses and my earplugs. I'll set the grinder against the blade and try to match the bevel angle. I'll try to hold the grinder in that position, turn it on, and begin to grind. You can usually tell if you're maintaining a consistent angle by how the grind marks work. If you need a little help with this, you can use a marker and mark the edge of the blade. Now as I grind, I want to remove the marker consistently. I don't want to leave any on the top or any on the bottom. Once I have one side done, I'll unclamp the blade, flip it around, clamp it back up, and grind the other bevel. That looks pretty good. Now I need to check the balance of the blade. To check the blade for balance, I've mounted a nail into my vise. I'm going to hang the blade from that nail, right in the center of the blade. And that looks pretty good. If the blade were out of balance, one side would hang lower than the other. If it were out of balance, I'd note the side that were lower, put it back in the vise, I'd go ahead and grind it, check it again, and keep doing that until the blade was reasonably balanced. That looks good, and this blade's ready to be reinstalled on the mower.